Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn the list of drugs causing hypokalemia. If you see the list of drugs causing hypokalemia, these include alkali-induced diuresis. Obviously, in diuresis there will be hypokalemia. Alkali-induced alkalosis. Then we have amphotericin B, carbenoxolone. Then we have corticosteroids, diuretics, gentamicin, insulin, laxatives, mineralocorticoids. These include laxatives, mineralocorticoids. Then we have glucocorticoids. Okay. Then we have osmotic diuretics, sympathomimetics, sympathomimetic agents. And then we have tetracycline, theophylline, vitamin B12. So all these are the drugs which are causing hypokalemia. Thank you for watching. Thank you and thank you for watching.